So continuation of the problem here. So the x1 enters the basis, s2 leaves the basis. So what happens? So in place of s2, we have to write x1 and its coefficient here. So s1 coefficient is 0, a1 coefficient is -2. So find out the next values. So this is 8. So let me write 1 here. This becomes unity, and in the same column remaining values are 0. So this divided by this, that is 50 by 8. That is 50 by 8 is nothing but how much? 25 by 4 it is. Fine. Next one is -3 by 8 followed by 6 by 8 is nothing but how much? 3 by 4 followed by 0 followed by 0 followed by 1 upon 8. Fine. So let me rub this one and this one also. Next, so we need to find the values of remaining empty square boxes. Fine. So let me find the values. So how to find the values here? There is a formula. That formula is what? New element is equal to, I think in previous problems I have written the formula in every problem. Here also I am going to write the formula. So you need to practice this formula to get the new values. Fine. So make sure that you should not forget this formula. The formula is like new element is equal to old element minus key row into key column divided by key element. So this is the formula. Fine. So look, by substituting the values in that formula, we are going to find the new values. Let us find the new value for this square. So what is the old value here? Old value is 20. So 20 minus, that is 20 minus key row. What is our key row here? 2. That is, so let me write once again here. So old element is 20 minus key row is 2. Then what is key column? That is 50 divided by, that is key element 8. So what is the answer now? What is the answer? That is 20 minus 100 divided by 8. So what will be the answer now? So guess the answer. So it will be 15 divided by 2. Fine. So you have to solve this one. Or if you want me to solve this one, so let me solve this one only once for you. So this is what. So how it get divided? That is, it is 20. That is, it is 4 divided by 50. Then followed by it is 2, then it is 25. So it is 20 minus 25 divided by 2. So when we get LCM, fine, this is 1. So it is 40 minus 25 divided by 2 it is. How much it is? How much it is? 15 divided by 2. So this is how much? 15 divided by 2. So for the next one it is, we need to find the value of this. So it is 1 minus element in key row 2 into element in key column, that is minus 3 divided by 8. The thing is that you have to write these values very clearly, because what happens here, if one sign you forget, then the whole problem is going to mess up. So make sure that what are the negative signs, please write those negative signs. Possible you use brackets. The more you brackets use, the more the problems become clear, and there is no chance that you are going to miss any signs or you are going to mess up with the problem. Final answer is going to get differ. Fine. what happens? You are going to search where we have done wrong, where we have done wrong. It is very difficult to trace back the error where you have done wrong. Fine? Trace back the error. It is very difficult to trace back the error. Make sure that you have written the signs. It may be plus or minus very clearly. So in this case, I have written like this. It is one old element, product of key row, that is 2, into product of key column, that is 2 into minus 3. So I have written 2 into minus 3 divided by key element. So what happens here? It is 1 minus 2 3s are 6, that is minus 6 divided by 8. It becomes 1 plus 6 by 8. So it is how much? 1 plus 6 by 8 means how much it is? It is 1 minus 3 by 4. That is equal to 4. That is 4 minus 3. That is 1 by 4. So let me write 1 by 4 here. So this is how you take perfect time, your time to write the values. Fine? You take your own time to write down the values here. Fine? Write down the values. So let me go for the next one. Next one. What is the next one here? The next one here, this minus 6 of minus 2 into 6. That is 8. So how much it is? Minus 6 of minus 2 6 are 12 minus, that is 12 divided by 8. So that is 4, that is 6, that is 2, that is 3. So it is minus 6 of minus 3 by 2. So it is, how to solve this one? Sorry, the same is 2, that is minus 12 minus 3, it is minus 15 by 2, I think. It is how much? Minus 15 by 2. It is minus 15 by 2. So the next one is, which one? This one. Again it is 1 minus product of key row, that is 2, into product of key column, that is 0, divided by 8. The answer is 1. So let me write 1 here. So this is easy. Fine? Whereas this 0 minus 2 into product of key row is 2, and the product of this one is 0 divided by 8. The whole answer is get 0. So let me write 0. Then about this again, that is 0 minus 2 into 1 divided by 8. Fine, what happens it is? It is 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4, I think. That is minus 1 by 4. That is minus 1 by 4. Fine. So I think they have finished this one. So we need to find the value of this section. So to find the value of this section, I will remove the old calculations because I need some space. So let me rub all these things. So let me write this value. So what is old element here? Old element is 50 minus 50 minus product of, sorry, not this one I think. It is 76 minus product of key row is 6 and key column is 50 divided by 8. So somewhat big here. How much it is? 76 minus 300 divided by 8. And this is 1. What happens here? The total answer is 77 divided by 2. So it is how much? 77 divided by 2. Otherwise, we need to multiply this one, that is 76 into 8, that is 608. So it is what? So let me complete this one for you. It is 608 minus 300 divided by 8. So if you subtract this one, how much it is? 8, 0, that is 3 naught. 8 divided by 8. So how much it is? Fine. So we need to calculate this one. This comes around, I think, 77 by 2. Fine. So it is how much? So if we check this one, this is 4, then this is how much? 74. So it is 74 by 4. 74 by 4 it is. So 74 by 4 means 4 1 by 4 and 3. Right? It is 74 by 4 here. So let me calculate this one. This is 2 are, this is 2 3s are, 2 7, that is 37 by 2. Fine. So we are wrong here. It is how much? 37 by 2. It is how much? It is 37 by 2. So let me go for the next one here. That is this element. That is 5 minus 6 into 3. That is minus 3. So again, I was confused. Divided by 8. How much it is? 5 minus of minus 18 divided by 8. It is nothing but 5 plus 18 by 3. That is 15 minus 18 divided by 3. That is minus 3 divided by 3. It is minus 1, I think. Exactly. Minus 1 is it? Is it minus 1? Check this out. 15. Minus 1. So the answer is how much here? For which one? For this one it is minus 1. But next to go for this one. 10 minus 6 into 6 divided by 8. How much it is? 10 minus 36 divided by 8. So if you, this is 8 1 8 9. That is 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. The answer is 1 here. Next, this one, 0 minus 6 into 0 divided by 8. This will become 0 minus 0 into 6 divided by 8. The whole answer is 0. Let me write 0 here. Whereas this one, 1 minus 6 into 0 divided by 8. The answer is 1. Let me write 1 here. Whereas for this one, 0 minus 6 into 1 divided by 8. That is 6 by minus 6 by 8. That is minus 3 by 4. So let me write minus 3 by 4. So with all this difficulty, we came across the second simplex table. We need to find the Zj value and Zj minus Cj value. Fine. So that will be done in the next session. Fine. Thank you.